Cloverfield. Cloverfield. Ah, it's
No.
The movie. Stop it, I want to do that. That's what I do in the movie, man. Stop.
Like,
Hold on,
nothing's going on.
Monster! I did that joke already. Why do you copy my joke? If I do a joke, you don't gotta copy it. Wow. $1.75.
Favorite sub. America's favorite sub.
People could read.
Not you.
You look at it.
I did. I went.
I think we're in ordering. Yeah?
You're like, it's a giant bread. In the picture. Giant bread. Oh. You're still recording.
Look at Lisa.
No, wait. Ah.
In her face.
Oh, wait. No, it's like a...
Wait, it's like a close-up. And now you cut yourself. She got cut. I don't know. You guys don't give me much work this year.
I think we should go in the parking lot and just start running. I have really fun videos. You want to see them?
No. Wait, watch him just fall. We're going by fast. Okay, look, there's Maria. Hi, Maria. Were you scared of Cloverfield? Is everything okay now?
I'm scared of the fact that it was stupid.
Oh my God, he's coming now. I love you. Have you seen that movie?
What is this, a camera? It's been recording? It must have everything that happened. Let's check it out.